I'm Ray Vann, president of Raymond K. Vann and Associates. The other day, one of the mayors I work for called me and he was very upset. He had just received an email from the state outlining a new government requirement, or as the state calls it, a policy issuance, related to his grant contract to replace some old clay tile sewer lines. Basically what happens is someone in the federal government comes up with some new regulation and they decide to use the Community Development Block Grant Program, the program that your community desperately needs in order to improve your water system, sewer system, streets, or whatever. They use this program as leverage to enforce their new policy. So HUD tells the state that they must now do this new policy. The state then passes it on to you, and what you get handed is a new requirement, and you must comply. You must comply or you risk losing your much-needed grant funds. So this mayor, after seeing the new regulation, felt completely overwhelmed at how complicated it was and told me that we might as well just throw his new grant contract from the state in the trash because there was no way that his small city could implement all of the bureaucratic red tape needed to meet this new requirement. I completely understood his frustration. After all, this was yet another demonstration of our overgrown, overblown federal government trying to cram its agenda down the throat of rural Texans. At Raymond K. Vann and Associates, we understand how important community development block grants are for your community. We also understand how overwhelming managing a CDBG grant project can be. These federal dollars come with many strings attached. It's our job to take care of those strings. After all, you already have enough to do in running your city or county. So my response to the mayor was short and simple. Don't worry about it. We'll take care of it. At Raymond K. Vann and Associates, we live in rural Texas. We work in rural Texas. Our office is right here in rural Texas. We truly are rural Texans serving rural Texas.